doi English ani kun manga yaifaraba nomaizing numitki numidang wairamgi pungfam masida Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Imfalda ngasigi cultural gi program sing thamjariba numidang wairam asida lingshin biriba khwai pumnamakpo ahanbada thauram sinja langjariba Department of Tourism Government of Manipur gi mahu sinjaraga taram nokchari. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries, honored guests, beloved artists and friends from near and far. Welcome to Day 3 of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025. Over the past 2 days, we have journeyed through the colors, flavors and traditions that make Manipur truly unique. And tonight, as we step into Day 3, the energy only grows stronger, the rhythm only gets richer, and the spirit of celebration rises even higher. So as the lights glow brighter and the stage comes alive, let us once again celebrate the grace of the Sangai, the warmth of our lane and the unity that bind us all together. Ngasigi cultural gi program asi haujadringai gi mangoinana ngasigi numidang wairam asibu mapung fahan binabagi damakta lingbirakliba ikai kumnajariba mitunglen singda ekoina langjariba khodolpot lanthokduna ikai kumnaba uchabagi taram nokchabagi tanjamatang lauzari aduna department asigi hauzi deputy director gi thopubiriba Shri Samukcham Jenny MCS pu nolukchari ahan badalingshin biriba ikai kumnajariba Padma Shri awardee Oja Shri K Sanathoiba Sharma Loina Sanginata Academy Award Nasu Laiting Laba Ikai Kumnabiraba Ojani Ozagi Mapamda Chamlaba Kudol Port Lantok Chatune Ikai Kumnaba Uchanabagi Damakta Amuktangahana Ikai Kumnajariba Deputy Director Tourism Government of Manipur Sri Samukcham Jemi MCS Pu Nolukchari. Masigi mathangda lingshin biriba ikai kumnajariba Oja Srimati Elam Indira Devi Padma Shri awardee Manipuri Jagoi Lai Haraubada Thoido Hendokpa Ojana Jagoi Sigi Damakta Hona Jaba Jagoi Sibu Malem gi thakta pukhatpada laubiriba thaudang sibu khangbiduna hairiba lemjaningai oiraba Padma Shri award na laiting labi Ojani ngasigi numidang wairam asida lingbiraktuna thauram asibu mapung fahanbiba hana thagachari loina na mathangda lingshin biriba kai kumnajariba Professor P Gunindro Vice Chancellor Manipur University of Culture sargi mafam dasu langjariba kudolpot kudol tamjaduna ikai kumnaba uchari.
Filmora 15 understands your intent, dissolving the space between thought and action. With AI Extend, those almost moments find their perfect continuation. Even text transforms, breathing life into your message. Dual timeline editing. This is Wondershare Filmora, powered by AI. Edit as an expert.
Dolang Chiru village. This dance signifies age event of young boys, usually the age from 10 to 15. During this event, the young boys wears the traditional dance for the first time, marking the beginning of the teenage. The young boys perform the dance in their new traditional attire. The celebration takes place once in 3 years. The celebration is joined by parents, elders of the village. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Dirkai Lam.